Howdy folks, it's Eli. We're back. We've got another fresh pan of mineral spirits, nice and clean. Today's complete rebuild is brought to you by the numbers 5 and 4. We're going to strip this Ballast Tamper down in completion and rebuild it entirely. We'll be back. Okay, we've got the cab removed with the 2 screws in the rear here. It has little hook clips up in the front on the underside. Just slide it forward and it'll pop off the whole frame here. There's a belt drive for the Ballast Tamper action, and we're going to strip this whole thing down, which I'll share every bit of it. All right, first we're going to start by taking the commutator face off and remove the brushes. Hello. Remember, excuse me. Remember the little ground lug is going to go back in between here. If you need to, it's good to take pictures of things beforehand, document everything, that way you get everything put back exactly like it should be. Most of the time I flip over the engine or whatever, or small motorized unit, and retrieve the brushes out with some tweezers. That way they don't just fall out and go flying around. Let's see what this looks like in here. Not too bad. Not too good, but it'll clean up just fine. Another note I'd like to point out is this particular unit does have a ball bearing on top of the oiler port, the top of the commutator, the armature shaft. Take a little pin or pick and pop it out of there. And then he comes rolling out. Good to have something magnetic to stick to. And you can put him away safely until you're ready for reassembly. And remove the armature. You just grab a hold and slightly twist out, lift up, and it is free. The bushing washer's down inside there, so it'll be safe to stay there until we get in further torn apart. Next, we're going to remove the field. I've already loosened the nuts. I always set everything on left to right, so it goes back exactly like it came. Not that it matters if it's the same part, but that's just my method. Okay, he's got a wire up at the front here to the pickup roller. We'll remove that after a bit as we get further in depth. To remove the pickup roller up front, it has a plastic spring clip. Just took this little pick and pressed the edge of the spring clip downwards. I just pressed one side and it fell out this way. And then we'll unsolder this and set it aside. Before we do any soldering or get the gun out, we're going to remove the drive belt. From the tamper set. and it has a flathead screw here on the bottom. Okay, now that's free. The drive pulley is free, and the tamper set is free. Set all that side. You can pop out the rear pickup clip, press that down, there it is, it's free. So we'll unsolder these two wires and continue on. We've now got both the front and rear roller assemblies free, and we can continue on. Okay, well, it looks like the motor field's free. Looks like the only thing that's about it, really. I mean, you don't want to take the wheels off unless you absolutely want to, but there's no need for that. We will clean up all these gears and get everything humming right along. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning. All right, we've got the dish filled with the parts that I want to get cleaned first. Got the motor filled and the commutator face, the brush holder plate, armature, bolts, brushes, cab mounts, tamper mount bolt, and oh, excuse me, these are the brush plate mounting bolts, and these are the cab mount bolts, and the pickup rollers front and back. Very well used beat up Scotch-Brite pads, a little chip brush, some tweezers, a dental pick, a toothbrush, and another little pick. And we have one of the most important essentials of all, some Texas water. All right, let's get started. It's not real necessary, but if you so care to, take the cab off the frame, flip it upside down, and push these clips back here, and this one side clip here. This clip is actually broken off. He's already released. Push these back, and then it slides out from the front, and then the antenna can fall out here. Here's the antenna. There's your loose cab. The loose back with the headlights on there. And your little man. Now you can clean every last bit of it. All right, everything's all clean. I was trying to show the ends of the brushes in the fast forward clip earlier. They are all clean with the sandpaper. Let's put this thing back together. Okay, oops. Apparently I forgot to hit the button to record. So you missed the majority of the assembly, but we have the gears all lubed with grease. White lithium grease is what I use. All the wheel axles are oiled. The pivot for the coupler is oiled. The brushes are installed. The springs are taut. All we have to do is solder the wires back together here and put the cab back on. Okay. Okay. We should be good to go. Now, these only go forward, just, you know. And the belt, oh, there's the half speed. Oh, the belt is good. Okay, I wasn't sure if the belt was taut enough. If it gets up speed on the track, it looks like it'll work. It might need a new belt. Anyway, I'll get a new belt. We'll be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, y'all.